Today I am going to discuss about arithmetic progression. Chapter 5. Chapter number 5. Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. So, how to define AP? So, what do you mean by AP? I will give the example. Let me say the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Dot. You see, so what is the first term? 1. What is the second term? 2. What is the third term? 3. What is the fourth term? 7. What is the fifth term? 9. T means term, 1 means first. So, term number 1, term number 2, term number 3, term number 4, term number 5. You see the difference between those numbers. What are the difference between those numbers? 3 and 1, difference 2. How you know the difference? By subtracting. 3 minus 1, 2, 5 minus 3, 2, 7 minus 5, 2, 9 minus 7, 2. So, by subtracting, you see the gap between 1 and 3, 3 and 5, 7 and 9. So, the gap between those numbers 2, 2, 2. So, these are the difference. So, this difference one is called common difference. Common difference. Common difference. Common difference is denoted by a small letter d. Don't write capital D. If you write capital D, so that capital D one is called discriminant. That one we already got in chapter number 4. I think you remember. So, common difference D we can write 3 minus 1 or 5 minus 3 or 7 minus 5 or 9 minus 7. You see the difference. What are the difference between those numbers? 3 minus 1, 2, 5 minus 3, 2, 7 minus 5, 2, 9 minus 7, 2. So, this one we can write second term minus first term or third term minus second term or fourth term minus third term or fifth term minus fourth term. So, this one is called common difference. So, next I will discuss n term. N term. One thing I want to share with you. You see the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So, this number is in AP or not? You see what are the difference? 2, 2, 2. Everywhere is 2. If common difference is, suppose you got here 2, here you got 2, here you got 3, but here you got 2. So, I mean the given numbers will not form AP. If every number's difference is 2, 2, I mean if everywhere is difference same, then the given number will form AP, otherwise not. Suppose here you got 2, here you got 3, here you got 4, here you got 2. So, I mean this number will not form AP. So, when the given number will form AP? If the common difference should be same. I hope you understand. So, next n term. N term means last term. 1 3 5 7 9. After 9 you know what will get 11. After 11 you will get 13. After 13 you will get 15. Last number, so the last numbers, the nth number will call n term or we call last term. It is generated by Tn or An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this one I'll keep inside the box. So what do you mean by n? N means number of term, A means first term, D means common difference. Next I'll give general form. General means standard form. General form of AP, or you can say standard form. Standard form of AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, comma dot 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 A plus n minus 1 into D. You see what is the first term? Like this. First term 1. This is called second term. This is called third term. This is called fourth term. So you see first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So next will come fifth term. Next will come sixth term. 7. You see the numbers 1 2 3 4. After 4 will come 5. After 5 will come 6. After 6 will come 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you know the numbers. What are the numbers we call? 1 2 3 4. These are called what numbers? Natural numbers. Why natural numbers? By counting. By counting you know 1 2 3 4. These are called what number? Natural numbers. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This one will come what? Term number n. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Last will come n. So this one called n term, or we can say last term. Last term. So what is the first term? A. Second term A plus D. Third term A plus 2D. Fourth term A plus 3D. After 4 means dot dot, means 5th, 6, 7, 8. So last Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. You can ask me why we write here n minus 1. You see A plus how many D here? 0. Here 0D. Look here, there is no means no D means 0D. A plus 0. A plus how many D here? 1. Here how much? Look here 0 1 2 3 4. It is here 1 2 3 4 5, last n. So why we write here n minus 1? You see, if you compare this one and this one, here 1 then here 0. So how much less here? 1. Here 2, here 1. So how much less here? 1. If here 3, then how much here? 2. 2 means how much less? If you compare these two, 1 less. If you compare 4 and 3, so 3 how much less? 1 less. So if here 5, then how much will come? 4. If here 6, then how many D? 5D. So that's why here n then means 1 less. 1 less means minus 1. Less means minus. So we write here minus. I hope you understand. Okay, next I'll discuss here. Give the example with same example 1 3 5 7 9 here 15 say. The question are this: to find number of terms, and second question, to find the sum of the given series. To find the number of term. Number of term means how many number here? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So number of terms. Number of terms means n. N you have to find. Suppose I will give the example here. You see here how many things? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I mean term number 1, term number 2, term number 3, term number 4. So you see n. N means here how much? Here 4. So n means number of term we will find. And next also we find to find the sum of the given series. See, sum means plus we will find. Okay, next we will see the answer. Here what is the first term? Term number 1, first term 1. Term number 2 how much? 3. Term number 3 how much? 5. Therefore common difference how much here? You see difference 3 minus 1 or 5 minus 3. 3 minus 1 2 or 5 minus 3 also 2. So common difference is 2. The rest no need to write. You can directly write from second term and first term. Common difference you can find. So you see the last term. What is the last term? Last term is 15. Last term Tn how much? 15. So from the last term you can find the number of term. Last term, just now I have given the formula, the back side, a plus n minus 1 into d 15. So a means first term how much? 1 plus n means number of term. Number of term is given? No. D, here nothing means into, d2 you put up the value. So simplify 1 plus. So first you do multiply. Bodmas rule you know. First you do bracket 2 into n 2n minus 2 into 1 2 15. So then like term carry one side. So these are the like term. These are the like term. Like term carry one side. 15 plus 2 minus 1 2n. So 15 plus 2 17 minus 1. So 2n equal to 16. So then this 2 also will carry, divide by transformation, n equal to 8. So I mean n means number of term. Number of term how much? 8. Okay, I will prove it. Number of term 8 is there or not? We will check, we will verify. 1 3 5 7 9. After 9 you know what will come? 11, then 13, next 15. You see how many number of terms. By counting you will know. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8. So there are how many number of terms? 8 number of terms. 8 number of terms. Here also 8. Here also 8. So verbally I show. Next we will find, to find the sum of the given series. To find the sum means plus. Okay, for sum of the series, so again I will give the formula. How to find the sum of the n term? Sum of n term. Sum of n term. Tn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, we will do that side. Okay, we will do here. Tn. N means how much? N means just now you got 8. 8 by 2. 2 into a first term 1. 8 minus 1. N value you will write. D how much? 2. So this one will do cancel. 4. 2 into 1 2 plus 8 minus 1 7 into 2 4. 2 plus 2 7 the 14. So 4 into, here nothing means into, we can write also 2 plus 14 16. So 4 into 16 64. Okay, I will show verbally here. Sum will do together, all together means we call sum. Okay, we will do plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 is equal to how much? You count. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 7 16 plus, okay, we will do separately. 9 plus 11 20. 13 plus 15 28. So this one will do plus 36 plus 28. So how much this one? 4 64. You see, this is sum. 64. Here also you got 64. I hope you understand how to find the sum of the n term, sum of the given series. So how much you got? 64. Now we will see the exercise. We will see the exercise 5a in your textbook. You see the exercise 5a, exercise 5a. You see in your book question number 1, Roman 1. Write the first 3 terms of each of the sequence defined by the following. In your question is given a n is equal to n plus 2. So in your question write the first 3. First 3 means start from first. Term number 1, term number 2, term number 3. So till 3, first, second, third. Term number 1, term number 2, term number 3. So n means how much? 1 2 3. So n value you will put here. N 1 2 3. Just now I show here, again I will show this one. How many things are there? 1 2 3 4. So n means 4. So if here third term, till third term means 1 2 3. So n value you will till 3 you have to write. So instead of n you write 1 2 3. So for first term n equal to 1. A1 1, instead of n 1 plus 2. So 1 1, here nothing means into, 1 plus 2 3. So 1 into 3 3. So this is first term. So again one thing I want to share with you, an or tn both are same thing. So this is called what term? Last term. So here you got first term how much? 3. Next we will find second term. So instead of n you write 2. Similarly 2 plus 2. So 2 into 2 plus 2 4. 2 4 the 8. So second term you got. Next third term a3. So instead of n you write 3. Here n, instead of n you write 3. So 3. Next you write 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 5. So 3 5 the how much? 15. So what are the first 3 terms? This is first term, this is term number second, this is term number third. So you write therefore the first 3 terms are 3 8 and 15. I hope you understand.